Plant evolution and the diversity of plants. This evolutionary tree shows an ancestral green algae gave rise to non-vascular plants, meaning they did not have conduction for water or nutrients. Vascular tissue evolved and gave rise to seedless plants and seed plants. There are two categories of seed plants, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms use pollens and seeds to reproduce. Angiosperms use flowers to attract pollinators and pollen to fertilize the eggs and develop fruits to disperse the seeds. Bryophytes are non-vascular plants that lack conducting structures for water and nutrients. They rely on slow diffusion to distribute water. All hornworts, liverworts, and most mosses are found in moist areas near banks of streams and ponds and in forests. Mosses are the most diverse, and some have a waterproof covering that retains moisture, permitting them to invade drier areas such as deserts, bare rock, and northern and southern climates where humidity is low and water is scarce. Mosses of the genus Sphagnum are common in northern regions of the world. Accumulations of dead mosses form peat, which is used as fuel. Vascular plants can be divided into two groups, the seedless vascular plants and the seed plants. Seedless vascular plants have conducting structures called the xylem and the phloem to transport water and sugars. Seedless vascular plants include ferns and horsetails. Ferns need shady, moist habitats because they have swimming sperm and require water for reproduction. They do not produce seeds but propagate by spores. Sporangia are clusters of spores on the underside of the fern leaves. Gymnosperms are vascular seed plants. They use wind-blown pollen to fertilize the seeds in their cones. Angiosperms are flowering seed plants. There are three major adaptations that have contributed to the dominance of angiosperms. Flowers attract pollinators, fruits help with dispersal of seeds, broad leaves capture more sunlight than the narrow leaves of the gymnosperms. The life cycle of a plant includes the alternation of generations between diploid sporophytes and haploid gametophytes. Sporophytes are diploid and produce spores by meiosis. Gametophytes are haploid and produce gametes by mitosis.